Hello and welcome to Guildford, a town in the heart of Surrey, about 40 minutes train ride from London Waterloo. So what does this town have to offer and what makes it a great day trip from London?
We're local residents, Ollie and Ricky, and we'll be your hosts for today. In this video, we'll take you on a little tour around Guildford, showing you the best places to eat and drink, places that we love to hang out at, and places that just make Guildford special. Shall we go?
I think we should. Let's do it.
Let's go.
First stop, let's check out the High Street.
Welcome to Guildford High Street. This steep cobble street is lined with more shops and restaurants than you can shake a stick at, and is a must visit for any trip to Guildford. There's a good mix of independent and chain stores, and it's a setting for many events that happen in town. For example, in December, there's a Christmas market happening behind me. And on the first Tuesday of every month, there's even a farmer's market. What's not to love about a good farmer's market?
Yes, the streets are alive. And just take a look at the architecture. With some parts even reminiscent from the 12th century. There's a lot of cobbled streets here and it's so easy to get lost down here and find some secret tucked away cafes, bars or shops. There's even a hidden bar. See if you can go find it. Just off Guildford High Street is our favourite pub, the Star Inn.
So we love the Star Inn for numerous reasons. They have a real fire in the winter, and they have an intimate beer garden for you to chill out in the summer. On top of that, they have unpretentious and affordable pub food, which is great. And also, they are one of Guildford's longest running live music venues, showcasing local talents many nights of the week. So on top of that, the back room also hosts a lot of events such as comedy club, pantomimes or cabarets. So there's something on for everyone. So next time you're in Guildford, please check out the Star Inn. There might just be something on that is right up your alley. Cheers. If you're looking for a nice countryside walk with breathtaking views of the canals, locks and cottages, we highly recommend checking out the Riverway Towpath.
The Riverway Towpath starts at Weybridge, cuts through the town centre of Guildford and then runs down to Godalming. With over 20 miles of easily walkable terrain, you could even cycle as well. But be very careful, you could fall in and it gets super narrow.
Trust me guys, you wouldn't want to be falling into this water, it gets super dirty. Anyway, the best part about this walk are the numerous pubs that are scattered along this route. You never know if your walk might just become a mini pub crawl.
Just a stone's throw away from Guildford High Street is Guildford Castle, at least what remains of it. The castle grounds is thought to date around 1100s, whilst the castle walls itself perhaps even older. In my opinion, the best time to visit is during spring, summer, where the grounds are well kept and they add a lot of colour as well.
Even though the castle is no longer here, it is still a lovely place to stroll around the castle grounds, maybe have a picnic or two while admiring the views of the ruin. For those of you who are a bit more adventurous, you can even go up to the top, where you'll be rewarded with excellent views of Guildford Town Centre. Let's check it out. Connecting Guildford High Street and North Street is Angel Lane, and it's here you'll find our favourite coffee house in town, Coffee Culture.
Coffee Culture is actually one of the few independent coffee houses in town. Serves amazing coffee and cakes. Let's go get our coffee fix.
After a long day of sightseeing, why not chill out and relax at Rogue's Bar? This bar is about 10 minutes walk from Guildford High Street, and I say the walk is definitely worth it. This is a family-run bar that has been in Guildford for more than 35 years.
It is one of the best beer gardens in Guildford, and they pride themselves on providing all-weather table service in their back garden. So no matter the weather, you'll be able to find a table, enjoy the outdoors, down a pint as I've done as well. But by the way, you have to be at least 25 years older, so if you're still in school, you might want to give this one a miss. Cheers.
So there we have it, a few highlights of Guildford from 2 local residents.
Hopefully we've given you an idea of what it's like to spend a day here in Guildford, and you cannot wait to visit. If you have any questions or comments, please drop them down in the comments section below.
Also, if you have any recommendations on what you would like us to cover next, let us know. We're Ricky and Ollie. Thanks for joining us, and we hope to see you in Guildford very soon.